Maria Leonor Leni Robredo is a Filipino lawyer and politician who served as the 14th Vice President of the Philippines from 2016 to 2022. She previously served as the representative of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur from 2013 to 2016. Robredo narrowly defeated Bongbong Marcos, the son of the ousted dictator and kleptocrat Ferdinand Marcos, in the contested 2016 vice presidential election. After an electoral protest by Bongbong Marcos, the Presidential Electoral Tribunal found no signs of fraud and her lead was slightly widened. She is the second woman to serve as Vice President of the Philippines, after Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and the first Vice President from the Bicol region. Robredo has spearheaded multiple programs in the office of the Vice President. Her flagship anti-poverty program, Angat Bahay, has helped address key areas including education, rural development, and healthcare, in partnership with more than 300 organizations. Robredo was awarded by the government of Thailand in 2016 for her work and advocacy in women's empowerment and gender equality. Robredo announced her presidential campaign in the 2022 presidential elections with Liberal Party leader and Senator Francis Pangilinan as her running mate. However, she widely lost the election to Bongbong Marcos. On October 5, 2024, Robredo officially filed her candidacy for mayor under the Liberal Party banner before the Commission on Elections Comlec office in Naga. Camarines Sur 3rd District Representative Gabriel Bordado Jr. is her running mate. Leni Robredo was born on April 23, 1965, in Naga, Camarines Sur, Philippines. She was the first of 3 children born to Naga City Regional Trial Court Judge Antonio Durone and Salvacian Santo Tomas. Leni was married to Jesse Robredo, whom she met while working at the Bicol River Basin Development Program from 1987 until his death from a plane crash in 2012. The couple has 3 daughters: Jessica Marie Aika Robredo, Janine Patricia Tricia Robredo, and Jillian Theris Robredo. Their eldest daughter, Aika, was an executive assistant at the Office of Civil Defense and holds a Master of Public Administration from the Harvard Kennedy School, which Jesse also received from the same school. While their second eldest, Tricia, is a licensed physician and was a UAAP basketball sideline reporter for National University. Their youngest, Jillian, graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree with a double major in economics and mathematics on a scholarship at New York University. Throughout her career, Leni Robredo has received several honors recognizing her contributions to women's empowerment, gender equality, public service, and international relations. These include the Honorary Outstanding Woman Award of the Year 2016 from the Thai government, the Most Influential Filipino Woman of the World Award from the Filipino Women's Network in 2016, the Golden Peacock Award of Excellence from the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce Philippines in 2022 for her efforts in advancing India-Philippines relations, and the Outstanding Bicolano Award from the University of Nueva Cáceres in Camarines Sur, her alma mater, in 2022. Vice President-elect Leni Robredo holds office in the newly rehabilitated Quezon City Executive House, a sprawling property in New Manila, Quezon City. Number 100 on 11th Street in New Manila, Quezon City, was once the address of the Boracay Mansion, a controversial property linked to ousted President and convicted plunderer Joseph Estrada. The building was, after all, initially designed to host the local government's visiting foreign dignitaries and businessmen. The first floor contains huge rooms to hold meetings in, as well as several sitting areas for guests. 5 things to love in Vice President Leni Robredo's home in Naga. The 3-story property highlights a modern tropical meets minimalist theme. Known for her simplicity and commitment to public service, Vice President Leni Robredo has touched countless lives as a lawyer, as a congresswoman, and as vice president. Now based in Metro Manila with Aika, Tricia, and Jillian, Leni and the whole family also call this 3-story apartment in Naga City home. It is kept simple and organized, with basic pieces and furnishings completing the look. Here are 5 things we loved best in the space. 1. The inviting foyer. Since guests Neighbors and constituents often visit the home. The foyer is furnished with comfortable cushioned seats and a center table. A painted portrait of the late DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo is seen in a corner, while other framed photographs of Jesse with past Philippine presidents and Pope John Paul II liven up the walls, too. The cozy living area. Did you know that all three Robredo children can play the piano? It takes up space in the living area, with more photos displayed on top of it. Aside from the sleek and simple furniture pieces, a statue of Our Lady of Penafrancia holds a special place on a table by the window. Leni is a devotee of Our Lady of Penafrancia, the patroness of Bicolandia. 3. The sleek dining area. Bathed in natural light, the dining area can seat 6 people comfortably. Wooden touches add extra warmth to the area meant for meals and catching up with the rest of the family. The upholstery of the dining chairs add a distinct modern touch to the dominantly tropical meets minimalist haven. 4. The spacious kitchen. Even if Leni seldom comes home to Naga, a loyal household helper keeps the whole house clean and organized just like how the lady of the house wants it. The cupboards in the kitchen are kept neat, with dinnerware and other must-haves carefully arranged inside. We can imagine how easy it is to prepare meals in the space given the absence of clutter and other unnecessary items. 5. The bright and spacious feel. Aside from the living and dining areas on the ground floor, the Robredo home also has a home office and 2 bedrooms on the upper floors. With only basic pieces chosen for the space, a spacious feel is maintained, but it's still homey and inviting. Perhaps it's the photos and the memorabilia, but what makes it really special are the memories and moments shared in the space. Inside VP Leni Robredo's condo, the unit doesn't have much of a foyer as the space by the entryway has been transformed into a mini gym, but a well-planned living area that includes an entertainment center and a cozy sectional sofa makes up for it. The walls in gray and cream offer texture to the space, and backlit wooden shelves act as separators between the living and the dining areas. Instead of the usual wooden dining table, VP Leni opted for one with a glass top, which is easier on the eyes given the area. This is complemented by 2 chairs in gray and a bench seat that helps conserve space. Above the bench seat sits a painting of the Robredo family by Mix Villanueva, which the Vice President had commissioned. This picture is a picture of us that seems very memorable for us, so I want to immortalize it. The mini gym by the entrance was VP Leni's gift to her kids, who, during the quarantine, kept on buying exercise equipment. The enclosed space was meant to keep everything in one place. VP Leni loves to organize things. Items are categorized and kept in identical baskets, and each basket has been labeled for quick inventory. This helps the family take stock of what they still have and what they need to buy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.